Hello, my name is Andrew Liu. I'm an associate professor with the School of Industrial Engineering at Purdue University. So the US is seeing a lot of electricity demand starting about several years ago, mainly due to the manufacturing activities increase, due to data centers. That's a huge driver for electricity demand, but also due to electrification of everything, including transportation, offices, and residential homes like heating and cooling. The growth is projected to about 20% in the next 5 years and much more in the next decade. And to meet this surging demand, with all the new resources being built, which is mainly renewable power plants like wind and solar, that's just because they have become the most economic, the cheapest resources to build, beating out the fossil fuel plants. But those resources, the outputs are variable and not controllable. So to make the system reliable and to be able to meet the demand, you also need innovations to bring other technologies into the system, like more efficient natural gas power plants, but also energy storage. And there have been increasing new technologies coming to the market, like long duration energy storage. And then demand response is going to play a much more important roles along the way, and which can dramatically help the system operators to balance the supply and demand of the whole grid. So California is one of the most prominent examples because it has ample solar resources, and there have been times that the entire California system is powered by solar energy. But then the sun has to set, and then that's usually when people come back home, they plug in their electric cars to charge. And if you can shift that charging and some other usage like washing machines and washers and dryers and heating and cooling, if you can shift that to some later time in the evening when the demand is not that high, and that can help greatly for the system to balance the electricity supply and demand. The consumers' electric bills have risen in recent years, that's no doubt, and many people blame renewable energy and the newer technologies for that rising bills, and that's not true. This is because electric bills really have two components. One is the actual cost of generating electricity, and the other component is the cost for maintaining the infrastructure for delivering electricity. For generating electricity, renewable actually has no cost, so it can actually lower the cost of electricity generation and could lower the bills for consumers. What caused the rising electricity generation cost is mainly due to natural gas, and especially due to in the winter periods when the natural gas demand is high, and then the natural gas price is also high, that caused the electricity price to rise. And the other part, which is infrastructure maintenance, like mainly transmission distribution lines, the increase in cost is mainly due to their age. They're just getting older and cost more to maintain. And on top of that, the increasing extreme weather events like wildfires, hurricanes, they also add a lot of cost to maintain those grid. So the two factors together are the main culprits for the increase of consumers' electric bills.